Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up the Linksys MX8400 Mesh WiFi 6 system. From unboxing the primary node to connecting additional nodes for seamless whole-home coverage, we cover everything you need to know. Learn how to use the Linksys app to create a new network, optimize Wi-Fi performance, and explore useful features like parental controls and guest access. Whether you're a beginner or tech-savvy user, this guide ensures a smooth setup for the best Wi-Fi experience. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Linksys MX8400 Mesh WiFi 6 system box, you'll find everything needed to set up your mesh network. The box includes 2 or 3 sleek, tower-style VLOP nodes, depending on the package, each equipped with power adapters and an Ethernet cable for connecting to your modem. Additionally, there's a quick start guide that helps you through the installation process. So let's start the setup process. The Linksys app is essential for setting up and managing your VLOP mesh system. It allows you to configure your network settings, monitor devices, and optimize performance. iOS, open the Apple App Store, search for Linksys, and download the app. Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Linksys, and download the app. Once installed, open the app and either log into an existing Linksys account or create a new one. Plug the VLOP node into a power outlet using the included power adapter. The node's LED will start flashing. Wait until the light on the primary node flashes purple. This means it's ready to be configured. Launch the Linksys app on your phone. The app will prompt you to begin setting up your mesh Wi-Fi system. Select the option to set up a new system. The app will guide you through naming your Wi-Fi network and setting a password. Place additional nodes around your home for optimal coverage. A good rule is to place each node within the line of sight or at least a few rooms away from the primary node. Avoid placing nodes behind thick walls or metal objects, as this can interfere with the signal. Plug each additional node into a power outlet. The LED should begin flashing purple, indicating it's ready to pair. In the Linksys app, select the option to add a node. Follow the on-screen instructions, and the app will automatically detect the node and connect it to the network. The app will notify you once the new node has been added successfully. If you have more nodes to add, repeat the process for each one. After all nodes are set up, use the speed test feature in the Linksys app to check the performance of your network. This will help ensure that each node is delivering strong and consistent Wi-Fi speeds. By following these steps, your Linksys MX8400 Mesh system will be properly configured, ensuring seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.